In this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 5a. Solve each of the following equations. At solve equations means we have to find the value for the variables here. So applying the same property, zero product property here, we are going to solve this question number 2. Starting solution here from question number 2 part A. Here we have two factors, k minus 4 and other factor is k minus 9. So by using the zero product property, we have to equate both of them equals to 0. K minus 4 equals to 0 or k minus 9 equals to 0. So we have to move this minus 4 on the other hand side. When we move this minus 4 on the other hand side, it will become plus 4 and 0 plus 4 equals to 4. And when we move this minus 9 on the other hand side, it will become plus 9, 0 plus 9 equals to 9. So we have k equals to 4 or 9. Here we have part E of question number 2, exercise 5a. Because the remaining part of question number 2 are same as part A, so I am leaving part B, C and D and moving towards part E here. So here we have 7q minus 6 as our first factor and our second factor is 4q minus 5. We have to equate both of them equals to 0. So 7q minus 6 equals to 0 or 4q minus 5 equals to 0. We have to move this 6 on the other hand side. 7q minus 6 will become plus 6 and plus 6 and 0 will become 6. So we have a coefficient with q here. We have to move this coefficient on the other hand side to separate q. So q will become, 7 is multiplying here, when we shift on the other hand side it will divide 6. So q equals to 6 upon 7. Now come to the second factor. We have to move this minus 5 on the other hand side, then 4q equals to minus 5 will become plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now we have a coefficient with q. We have to move this coefficient on the other hand side. This 4 is multiplying with q here. When we move on the other hand side, it will divide 5. So q equals to 5 upon 4. This is our second answer for q. We have to write q as 6 upon 7 or 5 upon 4 here. Here we have the last part of question number 2, exercise 5a. Our first factor is minus 2t minus 5 and second factor is 8t minus 5. So using the zero product property, minus 2t minus 5 equals to 0 or 8t minus 5 equals to 0. For finding t here, we have to move minus 5 on the other hand side. It will become plus 5, 0 plus 5 equals to 5. And when we move this 2 on the other hand side, it will move along with this minus sign. So t will become 5. This 2 will come on in the numerator part, but the minus sign will always come with the numerator part. Okay, so t will become minus 5 upon 2. In this factor, when we have to find t here, we have to move this minus 5 on the other hand side. This minus 5 will become plus 5. So 0 plus 5 equals to 5, and for finding t we have to move this 8 also. So t equals to 5 upon 8 there. We have answers for t. T equals to minus 5 upon 2 or 5 upon 8 here. You have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 5a.